monkeys in Belize, the spider and the howler monkeys. Both of them are endangered species. They are protected. This is one building that is constructed on top of a huge platform. This was the main, this piece that we're standing on was constructed about the structure that you see as 5th to 6th century AD structure. Here at Lamanai, the Mayans constructed the way onion is built, layers on top of layers. They won't destroy a temple, but they will construct on top of that temple.
Wow.
So the first temple that is here that was constructed 100 BC, the only remaining part is this area.